Anne Meikle, I'm the head of WWF Cymru. WWF Cymru is the Welsh arm of WWF UK, which is part of a global network. It's great to have made it through 5 decades and have had the record of achievements that we've got. And they include having saved, I think, the African elephant, which we thought would be extinct when we started in the 1960s, but through work with others and banning the ivory trade and in getting some good conservation laws in Africa, that's now expanding its range. But we've also done a huge amount of work on other habitats like tropical rainforests, because part of the answer is, of course, both laws but also sustainable practices. What we eat, how we live, how we heat our homes, what kind of timber we buy, all has a global impact. And I mean, that's become much more obvious. The global trade has grown, big business has changed, global politics have changed in those 50 years. So we've had to change to become more effective as a global network to tackle those big problems. So the way that we procure timber, etc., from local authorities, that has an impact on forests around the world. How much meat we eat, where does it come from? Those also have impacts on places like the Amazon. So we do a lot of lobbying of government in Wales and trying to make sure that both we and our supporters make it clear to government that we want to be helped to live sustainably. So one of the things that we run every year now is Earth Hour, which is a great event in March each year where we ask people to turn off all their lights to show the politicians that they want action on renewable energy, that they do want things that will tackle climate change. And every year we get more and more people joining in, and it's now a global event with 1 billion people worldwide taking part. Well, we would like more supporters in Wales, people who will campaign, who might write to their AMs on our behalf, but we also want people to think about donating some money perhaps to WWF or adopting an animal. We really do need the funds. We're not government funded. We need funds from people to help us do all this work globally. So by supporting WWF's work, we'll be saving the incredible wildlife and habitats on this planet, and changing the way we live hopefully will ensure that in future people and nature thrive in harmony.